Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi Mansi, welcome to IWM Buzz.
Hi Manisha, thank you. Thanks for calling. What's up?
How are you?
I'm good.
What's happening? So first of all, I'm great. So first of all, let us talk about Ishqbaz. तो सबसे पहले आप
मेरे बारे में मत बात करो।
नहीं आप तो like आपके बारे में क्या बताऊँ? कम पड़ जाएंगे शब्द।
They're all missing it.
Yes. So you tell us how was your journey and what you want to talk about it.
Journey was very good. मैं बहुत बार same चीज बोल चुकी हूँ. बहुत ही अच्छी journey थी. I think it was one of my best shows till now that I've done, including if you take everything in the picture, like co-actors, producers, direction team, production team, सबको मिला के देखें तो it was my best show till now, and so I miss it.
Okay. So any fond memory that you want to share with your fans?
Any
fond memory, any favorite one?
कोई एक नहीं है ना, इतनी सारी memories है इस amazing special show की. That I just can't share any one, but I do miss the lunch times जो हम सबके होते थे. We used to crack really silly jokes, really silly. Like I used to crack really silly jokes, and so I miss that time. It was kind of a very innocent सी दोस्ती थी. किसी से कोई jealousy नहीं थी एक दूसरे को. So I miss that. That kind of friendship. I mean, of course, we're still friends, but I miss that time.
Okay, nice. Okay, we have your fans over here, so we'll take their questions.
They've all come.
Yes. So
Hi.
Riya Berman is asking, tell us about your acting journey.
Oh God, pura. Okay, so I started acting with my theatre. मैंने सबसे पहले actually दिल्ली में फोलियो बनवाया था. फिर फोलियो बनवाने के बाद मैंने रियलाइज किया कि नो, आई शुड जॉइन थिएटर एंड आई शुड लर्न एक्टिंग एंड देन कम इनटू दिस इंडस्ट्री. सो आई डिड अ फ्यू प्लेज इन दिल्ली विद 3-4 थिएटर ग्रुप्स. सो वो करने के बाद फिर मैंने दोबारा से ऑडिशन देना शुरू किया और धीरे धीरे जर्नी शुरू हो गई. आफ्टर 1 year आई केम टू मुंबई, एंड मुंबई में माई फर्स्ट शो वॉज सुप्रीम गूगल. That was also with 4 Lions. Yes. So my lucky production house. So Supreme Google के साथ मैंने सुप्रीम की छोटी बहन का रोल किया, and then I got my lead break in दो दिल बंधे एक डोरी से, and फिर 2-3 सीरियल्स मैंने और किया, फिर मैंने इश्क़बाज़ किया, and so yeah, first TV journey ऐसी चलती रहती है, you know, you keep giving auditions and then you get good shows. Some shows are like, you know, बेंचमार्क होते हैं जो काफी पॉपुलर होते हैं. कुछ शोज होते हैं जो नहीं इतने पॉपुलर होते हैं. So yeah.
Nice. Okay, Masoom is asking, when will you be back on screen?
Is that Masoom Tapori?
Yes.
Hi Masoom Tapori. He's always like, I think he's my best fan. He's always commenting and he's always appreciating what I do. So thank you, Masoom. I'll be back soon. In a month maybe.
Okay, Shilpa is saying that tell us something about your Ishqbaz co-actor, Linesh, basically.
Only Linesh.
I think
लिखा है Linesh. चलो मैं बोल देती हूँ Linesh. अगर आपने हमारा हॉटस्टार का इंटरव्यू देखा है तो सबने ही बोल ही दिया है that he is very hardworking, but truly he is very hardworking. I don't think मैंने और किसी लड़की या लड़की को देखा है जो सुबह 3-4 बजे उठ के जिम जाते हैं. मतलब even if he sleeps at 12, oh, you'll be so happy to see all this कि मैं इतनी तारीफ कर रही हूँ उसकी. हाँ, तो ये हार्ड वर्किंग तो है ही है, बट उसके साथ सीन्स करने में मुझे बहुत मजा आता था. एंड ऑल्सो आई मिस दिस थिंग अबाउट लिनेश, दैट वो मुझे बहुत टीज करता था. वो मुझे उसकी चीज समझने में थोड़ा टाइम लगा, बट देन नाउ आई एम मिसिंग हिज टीजिंग्स एंड हिज टॉन्ट्स एंड ऑल. सो या, these are all the good things and little bit bad thing about him.
Okay, Muskan wants to know that any plans of vacation with Surbhi.
देखो, सिर्फ सुरभि के साथ तो जाऊंगी नहीं, श्रेणु के साथ भी जाना होगा, तो हम तीनों जाएंगे कहीं ना कहीं, अगर तीनों को इकट्ठे छुट्टी मिले तब. So let's see maybe in 3-4 months, not immediately.
Okay. Dreamcatcher fan is asking, who's your favorite actor in Bollywood?
Ranbir Kapoor.
Okay.
Manish bhi bada hai.
Masoom is saying that one scene of Bhavya which is your favorite.
How can I forget my entry scene? My entry scene was actually मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था उस टाइम जब मैं कर रही थी कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, because it was my first scene for Ishbaz और मुझे इतना नहीं पता था तब कि Ishbaz is like so popular and also that the harness also I was using for the first time. But when I saw the scene and I realized कि I've never done something like this. I didn't know that I'm capable of doing such action sequences. So I loved it. That and one बारिश का एक scene था Almesh के साथ. So these two are my favorite scenes.
Okay, Lakshmi Iyer wants to know who's your favorite in on Ishbaz set.
Neha Iyer. Lakshmi. Who wants to know what?
Your favorite on Ishbaz set.
Favorite, yeah, sub favorite. Okay, I'd say Shrenu because she's funny also in a very different way. Like I can't explain it. Also because she was my roommate.
Yes.
Like we were in this one big room, जिसके दो छोटे-छोटे rooms थे. So the whole day I was with her. So I would say that she was my favorite.
Muskan is asking your views on Ishbaz season 2.
Okay. I think when I watch it, then I'll give better views. But I wish them all the best. कि अब जो भी नए लोग आ रहे हैं, so of course वो भी अच्छे से ऐसे season 2 continue करें जैसे कि season 1 हुआ है.
Okay. Manish wants to know who's your inspiration in life.
My dad. He is super sweet and he has such a kind heart जो मैंने किसी इंसान में नहीं देखा अभी तक. So I try to follow that. I try to follow him. I try to be kind with everyone. तभी अगर मैं दिख रहा होगा कि मैं इतनी soft spoken हूँ, which is totally opposite to my character Bhavya. Bhavya is like strict and kadak एकदम, but in real life I'm actually soft spoken, which is because of my dad. वो कुछ genes में ही automatically आ गया है. So and he's very honest also. So I try to take all the inspiration from him.
Nice. Okay. Shivika fan page is asking one word for Bhavya.
Adventurous and dangerous.
Okay. Ravi is asking any biggest fear in life.
मुझे छिपकली से बहुत ही बड़ा डर लगता है. और मेरे बचपन में ना एक मेरी आंटी थी उनके कपड़े में लिजर्ड घुस गई थी. मुझे तब से लिजर्ड से बहुत डर लगता है. तो ये तो छोटा मोटा फियर तो है ही, but I'm also scared of heights.
Okay. Okay. Ankit is asking your goal this year.
Like in these next 10 days.
Maybe in the
next year,
yeah.
2019. So I want to get more fit. Until now I've never been too much into fitness, but off lately I've started with a kickboxing class, and I want to continue with it, and I want to get more fit and toned and do all those headstands and all that people keep on doing. So that's my goal. I hope I achieve it.
Okay, a fan is asking along with Lee Man, there are Kun Man fans also. So who want to see you guys on screen? So anything in future?
We don't know. That's for the producers and channels to decide if Kun Man will be visible. But definitely off screen, हमारा अच्छा bond था. Because I took crack silly jokes. He has such a great sense of humor. I can't even explain. उसको हर चीज में कुछ ना कुछ वो funny ढूंढ ही लेता है. तो उसके कारण we had a good humorous bond. So I think अगर कोई शो हम नेक्स्ट करेंगे तो हम हंसते ही रहेंगे. It should be a comedy show if we do that.
Okay, Shilpa is asking which show is closest to your heart? Your own show.
My own show, then it is Do Dil Bande Hai Dori Se. That was my first show as lead, and I was totally new, and the character was really close to my heart, and it was special. So हर एक का first show तो special होता है, so it is special for me.
Okay. Natalia is asking how would you describe your friendship with Shrinu, Surbi and the other Ishqbaz gang?
यार गर्ल गैंग तो हमेशा स्पेशल होता ही है ना, तो उसको हम और किसी चीज से कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते. और गर्ल गैंग में जो सीक्रेट्स और जो बातें होती है वो हमारी गैंग में होती है. सो वी हैव अ व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप आल्सो जिसमें हम सब बातें करते हैं या प्लान्स बनाते हैं. सो दिस friendship is really special what we have, the bond that three of us have, touch wood. So yeah, and I wish कि ये ऐसा ही रहे आगे. और जो बाकी के co-actors हैं, Nakul is really a great guy, on screen and off screen both. So if I need any guidance or any advice, I go to him. Linesh मस्ती वस्ती करता रहता है खूब, so he's like a buddy. Kunal is also like a buddy. So हर एक के साथ, बाकी सबके साथ neutral relationship है, but of course Shrinu और सुरभि के साथ थोड़ी और close, like sisters.
Nice. Okay, Manpreet Rai is asking, do you like Punjabi music?
Balle balle. I am from Chandigarh. Of course, I love Punjabi music.
Okay, Shivika is asking that similarities between Bhavya and Mansi. Anything that you saw?
आपको लग रहा है मैं भव्या जैसी लग रही हूँ?
बिल्कुल नहीं.
Similarities थोड़ी हो सकती है आपका. Of course, भव्या जितनी उसूलवादी है, मानसी इतनी उसूलवादी नहीं है. And Bhavya was very risk taker also, you know, like flying and doing all that, stunts and all that. मैं वो सब करने से पहले थोड़ा real life में, you know, like real life में hitting someone and kicking someone, I am not a violence loving person, so I would not do that. So I don't think Bhavya और मानसी में similarities ज़्यादा है.
Okay. Ravisha wants to know what's the secret behind your beauty.
I don't know. Eyes I got from my dad, so I'm thankful that my dad had green eyes. बाकी तो सब same है यार, what everybody has. But I try to eat healthy things. वो थोड़ा ध्यान रखना पड़ता है अपनी डाइट का. और that's it. Nothing much.
Okay, Shilpa is asking if you have to choose between love and money, what would you choose?
Love any day. You can never choose between. There is no choice for love and money. It's always love.
Okay, other than acting, which profession you would have been?
Either I would have been a CA.
Okay.
Or yeah, I had commerce with maths. और नहीं तो मैंने MBA किया होता और मैं किसी कॉर्पोरेट जॉब में स्टक होती, पर वीकेंड्स ऑफ मिल रहे होते मुझे. Which I would have loved.
Positive point, which is true. Okay, Ankit wants to know your hobbies.
My hobbies are watching movies. A lot of movies. I enjoy my free time, my alone time, watching movies on Netflix, Prime. So when Netflix and Prime wasn't there, मैं पहले torrent पे बहुत download करती थी चीजें, but thankfully now we have these things. So watching movies, sometimes painting, but अभी painting छोड़ दिया मैंने. और going out with friends, chit chatting, traveling का ज़्यादा शौक नहीं है, but once in a while I like to travel. I like to read books. But only fiction. Yeah, I'm a big Harry Potter fan, so I've read all the Harry Potter books.
Nice. Okay, Lakshmi wants to know that which is your favorite show other than Ishqbaz?
यार इश्क़बाज़ जैसा कोई शो ही नहीं है. I'm kidding. कोई एक और शो, एक्चुअली टाइम ही नहीं मिलता और कोई शो देखने का. But let me think. देखो कितना हार्ड सोचना
हाँ.
पड़ रहा है मुझे. Can you imagine? Nazar? Because of its action sequences, it is just standing out. Nazar is there, and I am waiting for this new show on Sony called Patiala Babes. पुराने shows में से I really love that पहले वाला Ladies Special.
Yes.
It was one of my favorite shows. And comedy I think we all love Tarak.
Yes.
So वो anytime switch on कर लो, it is still so funny. So I do like Tarak Mehta.
And maybe Sarabhai.
Sarabhai versus Sarabhai, yeah.
Yes. Okay, Riya wants to know which is your favorite place to chill out.
My favorite place is, there's so many places, yeah. Like a place in out of Mumbai, or just a restaurant.
That she has not mentioned. You can say anything that you personally did.
My
Like,
favorite place, wherever my friends are, yeah, I can chill with them anywhere. Yeah.
what do you do when people go crazy upon meeting you? Natalia wants to know.
I hug them. I
Oh.
smile back to them, and I click pictures with them. And I talk to them if they want to talk for a while, if we have time.
Okay, Ravisha is saying, I just love your dressing style. So, any styling tips that you can share with them?
So I make sure that whatever I'm wearing, I should be comfortable in it. Of course, it should look good also, but I would not especially wear a tight dress or high heels if I am not comfortable. You know, once I did a ramp walk also, but I was not comfortable in wearing high heels. So I wore boots with high heels because I'm always very comfortable in boots. So even on the ramp walk, मैंने high heels नहीं पहने थे, मैंने high heels वाले boots पहने थे. So what I want to say is that don't wear anything in which you're not comfortable. Rest, try to just team up your dress with good shoes and a good lipstick. You would look great, and some good colors if you can choose. So धीरे धीरे आपका better हो जाएगा. और if you want, आजकल तो online इतने suggestions होते हैं. In so many web pages are there on Instagram. You can take suggestions from those web pages, and you can team up कि कौन से t-shirt के साथ कैसा jeans जाएगा. You have to experiment yourself. Every day do some different experiment on yourself. So धीरे धीरे you'll also get good in it.
Okay, Priya is asking if you've offered a Big Boss next season, will you do it?
Yes.
Okay, Suzanne D'Souza wants to know, are you in still touch with Todil, Bandek, Dori se actors?
I am, but everybody is so busy with their own shows and personal lives. But we do keep in touch once in a while. We wish birthdays to each other. So, yeah.
Nice. Okay, Suvarna wants to know, do you like wearing saris?
I don't. But मैं शादियों में पहन लेती हूँ. But as I just said कि मुझे comfortable dresses ज़्यादा पसंद है. But अगर कोई अच्छे से साड़ी drape करके दे दे मुझे, I don't know myself. I don't know how to wear a sari. But if someone else drapes the sari for me nicely and in a nice tight shape, not that loose kind I don't like. So then I'm comfortable with it. But रोज कौन मुझे साड़ी पहनाने आएगा?
Okay, Natalia is asking that अगर इशबाज गैंग को एक साथ जाने का कहीं मौका मिले तो which place they would go?
I'll take them all to Hong Kong.
Okay, and why?
If it is on me to decide.
Okay, and why?
I love that place, Hong Kong. We have everything there. There's a Disneyland. There's a big amusement park called Oceans Park. There's a big street there called LKF. वहाँ पे आप बहुत party कर सकते हो. So of course we all love to party.
True.
Then there is this shopping street called Ladies Market there. So of course all girls would love to shop there. So shopping के बाद हम वहाँ पे रात को party करेंगे और नेक्स्ट डे डिज्नीलैंड भी जा सकते हैं. So I think Hong Kong is the best place.
Nice. Okay, Shilpa is asking, if given a chance to become invisible, what would you do?
There are too many naughty things also that I can do. But I would like to give a Miss India kind of an answer.
Okay.
कि मैं I will try to solve, you know, whatever problems people have. No, on a serious note. Why are you laughing? No, but I would try to help people in whatever way I can.
Okay, on this note, we'll play a fun game with you. Okay. So I'll tell you the English translations of few Hindi songs, and you have to guess these Hindi songs. Okay. And if your fans are guessing here, so I'll tell you. Okay, bata diya hai.
Please help me, guys.
Yes. Okay.
I think I am going to be bad in it, so help me.
Why are you not good with songs?
No.
Okay. So should I start with hard one or easy one?
Easy,
Chalo,
easy.
Easy. I'll start.
Yeah.
There are few are little old, like purane.
So lyrics are in English, and
Yeah.
I have to guess the
Hindi song you have to guess. Okay. So what happened to your promise that woke that?
क्या हुआ तेरा वादा?
चलो, मैंने easy से start किया
Yeah,
फिर आपको
thank
game
you.
समझ गया. Okay, now the other one is, every second this life changes itself. Sometimes there is shade, sometimes there is sun.
I know.
Okay, बोलो.
हर घड़ी बदल
Nice. Which is
Thank you.
right.
Is there a hamper after that?
That will let you know.
Yeah.
Okay. The other one
Coffee
is,
with IWM.
oh yes, oh this night, this season, along the riverbank, this playful wind. Oh this night, this season, along the riverbank, this playful wind.
Once again. Please,
Oh.
आपने ध्यान से सुना?
Yes.
Guys, can you guess it?
Oh this night, this season, along the riverbank, this playful wind.
ये रातें, ये मौसम. I tell you why, because मैंने day before ये गाना सुना है, and the
अच्छा.
lyrics are amazing. I love
Okay.
this song. Please, someone play this song. Yeah.
We'll play for you afterwards. The other one is, day is about to end, twilight is on the way, let me go, I have to go.
ढल गया दिन,
Yay!
हो गई शाम, जाने दो.
You are good with songs and you're telling us that.
I think I'm good with old songs. Try any new song.
Okay, the other one is, think there is a city of ponds. We would have a house on waves. The sweet dreams we have seen all comes true.
So जो मैंने देखा है.
No.
No? So say once again.
Think there is a city of ponds. We would have a house on waves. The sweet dreams we have seen all comes true.
सोचो के झीलों
Yes.
में शहर हो.
Nice. Okay, the other one is, sometimes in my heart there comes a thought as if you were made only for me.
कभी
Sometimes.
कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है.
Very nice.
Thank you.
हमारे सारे questions fail हो गए actually. The other one is, sometimes we match like sari and its lining. Sometimes I leave my heart, sometimes I catch it.
साड़ी के फूल तुम्हें कैच किया रे.
Nice. Okay, the last one is, now that you have stolen my heart, don't steal my glance. You have changed my life, but don't change yourself, dear. Now that you have stolen my heart, don't steal my glance. You have changed my life, but don't change yourself, dear.
चुरा के दिल मेरा.
No. आपके फैंस अभी तक कभी कभी पे है.
चुरा के दिल मेरा.
Now that you have stolen my heart, don't steal my glance. You have changed my life, but don't change yourself, dear. No cheating.
What is it? Are they helping me?
वो अभी तक सारी के फॉल सा गा रहे हैं. ओके, बता दिया, आपके एक फैन ने बता दिया है. इट्स चुरा लिया है तुमने.
Thank you. Who is it?
शिल्पा. शिल्पा.
Thank you, शिल्पा. आपने मुझे हार के नहीं दिया.
ये नाइस। वैसे आप जीत ही गए थे, एक
ही
कोई
बचा था वैसे।
हाँ।
But thank you. I'm so proud of myself.
Okay, a fan is asking, do you expect Rudy to be your pair again in your next project?
Actually, we want to. Last day हम दोनों यही बात कर रहे थे कि यार we were good co-actors, you know, we had a good tuning while doing scenes, और हम जल्दी से और मस्ती में scenes करते थे.
Anna is asking, do you have had a crush on any of your co-star ever?
No, yeah.
Okay. Who's your mentor? Ria wants to know.
Actually, there's so many, but as I said, my inspiration is my father. But I think I can say Amitabh Bachchan is my mentor if I consider acting, because he's the kind of movies, the kind of work he has done. I want to do such great characters if I get chance in future. I would love to do it. And also he's very disciplined as a person, and whatever character he's playing, he plays it so best. So that is what I really look forward to, and I think he's my
nice. Okay, Jalpa wants to know, do you love pani puri? No?
I love sev puri.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
पहली बार मैंने किसी को सुना है कि पानी पूरी नहीं पसंद है. Okay, who's your crush in Bollywood?
Ranbir.
Okay, any plan?
And Vicky Kaushal also now.
Okay, nice. Any holiday planned now? Anything?
No plans. I'm very bad at planning for a holiday. अगर होता भी है कोई plan तो spontaneously बनता है, not like I don't plan it in advance.
Okay, Krishna really liked your earrings, so she's asking from where did you get it?
You won't believe, Krishna. I think these are like 6-7 years old earrings. Yeah, and I don't remember. I think I bought it somewhere from out of India, so I don't remember. But I just thought that they are like going with the dress in contrast.
Yes.
So I bought it.
Nice. Okay, your favorite cuisine?
Italian.
Okay, on this note.
Oh yeah, on the खाने के note पे हम खत्म करते हैं.
On this note, we'll end this session. We'll take a small message from you for all your fans who've been here to chat with you and spend some time with you.
Well, thank you. आपने अपना time निकाला मेरे live chat के लिए with IWM. And thanks to IWM for calling me and giving me a space. मैं generally live नहीं करती हूँ, you know.
Okay.
I get so many messages that please come live. I have never done Instagram live. I don't know why. I just feel I don't know what to do. ऐसा once we did when Shrenu touched 1 million, that time we did live. But thank you for giving me the space, and I might be going more live in future.
Good.
So thank you for all of you जिन्होंने मुझे आज join किया and questions पूछे इतने अच्छे. I hope you will keep giving me your love in future, and I keep reading all the messages you guys send. I'm sorry if I'm not able to reply to all of them because there are like too many messages.
Yeah.
फिर वो क्या होता है नहीं, वो जो मेरे फ्रेंड्स के है ना मैसेजेस, फिर वो बहुत नीचे चले जाते हैं और फिर वो नीचे पड़ते हैं, तो मैं सारे मैसेजेस नहीं खोल पाती हूँ. So, but thank you for giving so much love to all my Instagram feeds, my posts, and that you like what I post. Sometimes I post all the humorous stuff also, and some memes also sometimes I like to make. So that's my real self. That's Mansi, and thanks for loving Mansi. I really appreciate that. Thank you, and wait for my next work.
Nice.
Love you all.
Okay, you have to sing a song for all of them.
यार ऐसा मत करो.
इतने
एक तो गला भी खराब है.
चलो हम दोनों गाते हैं गाना छोटा सा, because कुछ लोगों ने रिक्वेस्ट किया था तो I thought एकदम पहले
ये रातें.
हाँ चलेगा चलो.
Okay. 1, 2, 3 start. ये रातें, ये मौसम, नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा, कहाँ दो दिलों ने कि हम से मिलकर
कोई बात नहीं।
होंगे जुदा। ये रातें, ये मौसम, नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा।
Okay, thank you so much, man. Thank you, Mansi. Bye.
Bye.